Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions with a dash of humor. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of 3D printing. On the left, we have the OG, the Comgrow official Creality Ender 3, and on the right, we've got the new kid on the block, the Comgrow Ender 3v2 Neo. Let's see which one reigns supreme in our epic 3D printer showdown. Alright, let's talk about the first thing that makes us break into a cold sweat at night: money. The Ender 3 comes in at a cool $232. Not too shabby, right? But wait, the Ender 3v2 Neo is priced at $199. That's right, folks, it's cheaper. You can save those extra bucks for, I don't know, maybe a celebratory pizza after your first successful print? Point goes to the V2 Neo. Next up, the assembly process. The Ender 3 boasts easy and quick assembly, only needing about 2 hours and 20 nuts. Sounds like a fun weekend project, right? But the V2 Neo is like, hold my filament, and comes pre-installed, requiring just 3 steps. It's so easy, even your grandma could do it. Well, maybe not my grandma, she's still figuring out email. Another point to the V2 Neo. Now, let's get leveling. The Ender 3 doesn't mess around with its resume printing function and advanced extruder technology, but manual bed leveling can be a real pain in the extruder. Enter the V2 Neo with its CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling. This thing practically levels itself while you sip your coffee. It's like having a butler for your 3D printer. V2 Neo takes it again. User interface time. The Ender 3 is functional, but the V2 Neo brings a brand new 4.3-inch UI with a model preview function. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. Plus, it supports 9 languages. Now you can curse at your printer in multiple languages when things go wrong. V2 Neo is killing it! Let's not forget about the build plate. The Ender 3 has a decent hotbed, reaching 100 degrees in 5 minutes. But the V2 Neo has a fancy PC spring steel magnetic build plate. It's like comparing a regular frying pan to non-stick cookware. Your prints will stick better and come off easier. V2 Neo scores again. Last but not least, let's talk noise. Nobody likes a printer that sounds like a jet engine. The Ender 3 is decent, but the V2 Neo comes with a silent motherboard. It's so quiet you might forget it's even there. Perfect for those midnight printing sessions when everyone else is asleep. Another point for the V2 Neo. Both the Ender 3 and the V2 Neo have received positive reviews on Amazon. Reviewers appreciate the Ender 3 for its ease of assembly and potential for upgrades. It's seen as a great entry-level printer that offers a lot of learning opportunities. On the other hand, the V2 Neo is praised for its out-of-the-box print quality, ease of assembly, and quiet operation. Reviewers also highlight its advanced features like the CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling and upgraded UI. Both printers have their strengths, but the V2 Neo seems to have the edge in terms of convenience and modern features. Well, there you have it, folks. V2 Neo has absolutely crushed it in this showdown. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-assemble, quietly efficient 3D printer with all the bells and whistles, the V2 Neo is your go-to. Sorry, Ender 3, you had a good run, but it looks like your younger sibling has taken the crown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next product showdown. Drop a comment below and let us know which products you want to see battle it out next. Until then, happy printing, and remember to buy smart. Product links are in the description.